time for another slime review. You guys have been highly requesting that I do more of these, so here is another one. This shop is known for their awesome icy slimes, and you know I've been on the hunt for the perfect icy slime, so I decided to purchase a bunch to try them out and see what the different ones were like. So this first one is Cotton Candy Icee, and like the name suggests, it's scented like cotton candy. Cotton candy isn't my favorite scent, but I knew what I was getting going in. I mainly got this for the texture, and it's really sizzly, really soft. It's an icy slime, and that's typically what they're known for. All of the ices did leave quite a bit of residue, but that's really to be expected with an icy slime. I believe it was supposed to come with pink heart glitters, but mine didn't. I am not sure why, but I think that is what was listed in the Etsy description. Anyways, this has a gorgeous color and it's a great icy texture. Moving on, the next slime is Banana Pancakes, which is such a fun slime name. I love eating pancakes with bananas, and this actually made me crave banana pancakes. I wanted them after I played with this slime. It's a really thick and super glossy slime that's scented more just like bananas to me. I didn't really get much of the pancake scent, but it was a really nice banana scent. And I enjoyed this slime. I liked the little foam beads on top. I thought they were really cute and a nice addition to the slime and represented bananas well. I like the base slime as well. It's a nice glossy base slime. I don't have any complaints about this slime. On to the next slime. This one is Creme Brulee Frappe, I believe, and this is a sugar slime, as you can see, and it's a light brown color that's supposed to represent the color that's on top of the creme brulee, and it's scented like creme brulee as well. This one wasn't my favorite scent. It was a bit too sweet for me, but that's just me personally. You guys may love this scent if you like sweeter scents. I kind of wish that this slime was two-toned to like represent the two colors of a creme brulee, but that's just a personal opinion. This is a really nice crunchy slime. It had a tiny bit of fallout, but overall it is a great slime. Next up, I have Pistachio Crumb Cake, and this is a cloud slime, and it's scented like pistachios. I really love the scent. It's super unique. I've never felt a pistachio slime before. I love the little foam pieces that represent the pistachios, I believe, or like the brown part of the pistachios, I guess, and I thought that was really unique and cool. They're little pieces of foam. The slime drizzles really nicely, and it is super duper soft and stretchy and fun to play with. It is a bit crumbly, as you can see in the video, but that's perfectly all right with me. I added a dash of activator to fix it up, and it was good to go. So here I'm drizzling it and stretching it and drizzling it and stretching it. It was tons of fun. I didn't want to put this cloud slime down. I also love the added texture of those little foam pieces. I thought that was really unique and different, and it's a great thing to add to cloud slime because they're soft and they don't fall out of the slime. Next up, I have this slime, this yellow icy slime. It's called Mango Pineapple Smoothie. And if you know me, you know I'm a sucker for anything mango. I love mango smoothies, mango ice cream, mango gelato, mango gummies, mango everything. So of course, I loved this Mango Pineapple Icy Slime. It's a super sizzly icy slime, and it is scented really nicely. I love the scent and texture of this slime. They are a bit difficult to get out of their containers, as you see. I included most of the clips of me getting them out of the containers because I just thought it would be nice for you guys to see what the behind the scenes, I guess, of a slime review are. So here is me stretching them and squishing them. There's not too much you can do with icy slime. They don't make the best poke sounds and things, so a lot of it is me doing bubble pops and stretching them and swirling them and different things like that. They're super fun to play with, and I would love to play with a huge batch of this icy slime. It would be so fun. I'm so sorry. I'm probably going to butcher the pronunciation of this slime. It's called Nia de Lima. Probably pronounced that wrong. So sorry about that. But it's scented like Mexican lime ice cream, which is awesome. I love this lime scent. It's really refreshing and unique. I don't smell a ton of lime slimes usually, so this was really fun for me to try. You know what would be fun? This is totally a side note, but like a slime scented like Sprite. I've never smelled that before. That'd be really fun. Let me know if you know a Sprite slime out there, and I'll definitely buy it. So this one is awesome. It makes great sizzles like all of the rest of the icy slimes that I purchased. When I was going into this review, I knew I wanted to purchase a bunch of icy slimes, and that's definitely what I did. So this one, it does have residue like I mentioned before, but that's perfectly alright because that's what I expected with icy slime. Next up, this one is Strawberry Italian Ice. That's the name of it. It's this really pretty pink color. And again, it's the same texture, sizzly, soft, a little bit of residue, and really fun to stretch and play with. And it's fun to poke. It doesn't make the best poke sounds, but it's fun for me to poke in real life. I love playing with this slime. It's super squishy, and I love squeezing it as it oozes through my fingers. It's so much fun, and I really love the texture and scent of this slime. The strawberry isn't too overpowering. This one is Oreo McFlurry. This is actually a different texture from my icy slimes that I've been getting. This one is a cloud cream, and it's scented like Oreos. It's so delicious, chocolatey, creamy. Oh my goodness, I wanted Oreos after sniffing this slime. It smells delicious. I love this Oreo scent, and I need to find me a good Oreo scent like this. If anybody has any suggestions, let me know down in the comments. And also let me know, what is your favorite scent for slime, because I'm super curious. So this one is scented like Oreos, like I said. It has those really cute little little glitters. They're black glitters that are really cute and represent the Oreo slime. And it is a cloud cream, not my favorite texture. I have decided that I don't really love cloud creams, but that's just me. Next up is lychee frosting, and this is a really nice smelling lychee slime. I worded that really weirdly, but I like the scent of this slime. It smells delicious, and I really love lychee scents. I need to get my own. It smells so delicious, and I need to make all my slimes smell like lychee. I'm just tumbling over my words here. But this is a butter slime, and it was really soft and smooth and creamy, and I enjoyed playing with this. I will say I wish that it came with maybe like a charm or some add-ins, some glitters or something like that. But that's just a personal preference. Same with the icy slimes. It would be nice if they came with a charm or something like that. This slime is called Unicorn Icy Slime, and it's one of their best sellers because it's unicorn themed and it is a magical icy slime. It's pink and blue, and it is scented like fruits, I believe. That's what it smells like to me. And I don't believe mine came with a unicorn charm. Maybe the 4-ounce slimes don't come with them, and it's only 8-ounce slimes, but I'm not sure. It is a nice texture, same as the others, but I will say the red was really pigmented, and when I put it on my table, it did bleed a bit onto my table and took quite a bit of time to get off of it. So that's just something you should be aware of if you are purchasing it. That was just an issue I had, but it wasn't a big problem for me. This was super fun to mix together and squish and play with. The slime is really nice. It's just like the other icy slimes, such a fun texture to play with. If you guys are enjoying the video, make sure you subscribe and like and comment all those good things because I would really appreciate it, and it tells me that you want to see more slime reviews from me. Don't forget to comment what slime shops you would like to see next from me because I would love to review more slimes. I also decided to mix all of these icy slimes together to make one awesome epic icy slime. The scent is crazy on this slime, guys. I love it so much. It's such a cool slime, and I'll let you listen to the slime ASMR and stop talking now. here is a slime that's a mix of some of the extra slime that inflated and didn't fit back in the container from my last slime review. Make sure you check it out. I reviewed Momo slimes. I'll have it linked up in the cards right now and down below in the description. I highly recommend checking it out. I made a ton of, I reviewed a ton of awesome slimes in that video. It was so much fun to film and play with, and I guess I did make some slimes with the DIY slime kit that was in there as well. Make sure you check out my slime book. The link is down below if you would like to purchase it. There are tons and tons of awesome slime recipes if you would like to learn to make your very own slime. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time.